In this video, we will show you how to replace your front door speaker on this Nissan Versa. This will be located behind your front door panel. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. The first thing we're going to do is remove this trim panel with the master window switch. To do that, we'll use a small plastic trim tool, make our way in between the door panel and this trim piece, and gently lift it up and out of place. Once you have that removed, continue on to the wiring harnesses along the back side. For this larger one, you'll find that you have a locking tab directly in the center. Squeeze that in, remove the wiring harness, and give it a quick inspection for corrosion. You can use a small screwdriver or just continue with your trim tool. That one looks fine. We'll continue on to the smaller wiring harness. Once again, there's a small locking tab in the center here. We'll press it in and remove this. Inspect the switch as well, and we can set this aside. With that out of the way, we can gain access to our two 10mm headed bolts in this area. Remove the pair. Inspect the mounting hardware as you continue, replace it as necessary. Now let's continue with our trim tool up along this area. This is just a small trim panel. You can gently pry this out of place. We are going to be reusing it, so don't break it. A quick inspection, and we can set this aside. Continue with your trim tool. We're going to make our way in between the door panel and the door itself. Slide this in here. Just gently start pulling this out of place. There we are. Now, once you have the bottom separated, we're going to lift this up and out of here. Remove the door panel. Now that we have the door panel out of the way, we have a clear view of our front door speaker. This is going to be very easy to remove. You'll find that you have one wiring harness up along the top here. Go ahead and press in on that locking tab in the center and lift this up and out of place. A quick inspection for corrosion, of course, and we can set that wiring aside. Now you'll find that you have three 10mm headed bolts to remove, and then we can remove the speaker from the door. Let's get this last one. Now we can take hold of the speaker and remove it. If you find that it's stuck to the door, just gently pry it out of place. Use a trim tool for this. Make our way right in between there and pop it out. There it is, friends. All right, let's get ready to install that brand new speaker. When you're doing so, you want to pay attention to where the wiring harness will go. And if you were to have a look at the backside, you'll find that you have two alignment tabs. Looking at the door, you'll find that you have two holes for those alignment tabs to squeeze into, and at that point, each one of the mounting bolt holes should also be aligned. We have our electrical connector facing up diagonally. Start in all three of those 10mm headed mounting bolts and then snug them up. Confirm that the speaker is secured to the door. The next thing that we'll do is connect in the wiring harness. Slide it in, listen for a click, and give it a light tug to make sure that is secure. Now we can get ready to install the door panel. Before you do so, we need to pay attention to all of the mounting holes that make their way around the door. You might find that you still have some of your push clips that should be attached to the door panel in the door itself. If that's the case, continue on with a trim tool and pop those out of place. That's what it looks like right there. We'll just double check all the way around the door. Now let's have a look at the inside of the door panel. We want to ensure that all of the push clips are in place. If any of them are missing, you want to make sure that you replace them as necessary. Just make our way all the way around. This looks good. Let's take the door panel and put it in place on the door. When you do so, you need to come up nice and high so the door panel can make its way over this ridge. Once it's up there, go ahead and slide it down and then press it in so all those push clips make their way into their corresponding hole. Double check along each side. Let's just confirm that it's completely met up against the door. We'll take hold of that wiring harness, bring up through this forward area here. We can rest that aside. We'll continue on with our two 10mm headed mounting bolts, one here and one right there. Let's install the window switch. Take this and put it in position. We'll press it down, confirm it's secured. Let's get this last trim piece on here. Just put it in the proper position and press it in. Should hear a few clicks from that. Give it a wiggle to make sure it's completely secured all the way around. Okay friend, we showed you how to install your front door speaker. At this point, you want to go ahead and put the key in the on position and test its functionality. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.